Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start with both spreadsheets open in separate tabs so you can copy structure quickly. First, confirm you have edit or comment access on the source, otherwise import will fail. Once done, identify the exact sheet name and cell range you want a link. This matters for formulas. Make sure the destination has a clear target cell and matching headers if you're syncing rows. Now switch to the Destination tab to begin entering the linking formula. On the destination sheet, type equals import range. Paste source URL, sheet name, range into the target cell. You'll see a #ref error until you click Allow Access. This authorizes read-only linking between files. Once authorized, the values pull in and update automatically. That's why specific ranges and sheet names matter. If you need column headers or transformed data, wrap import range with query or array formula. You can also use a named range in the source to simplify maintenance. Finish by cleaning up the imported block. Use IFR to hide loading errors and query to filter or sort the data in place. If updates aren't appearing, make sure the source URL is exact and the sheet name matches, then reauthorize import range from the destination. If sharing changed, reshare the source or grant viewer/commenter access. One key troubleshooting tip: open the source directly. A prompt often appears to reauthorize links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.